Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M stands head and shoulders above the competition as 2020 SIX's absolute best RC plane. This isn't just another trainer, it's a comprehensive flight system revolutionizing how beginners learn while offering enough capability to keep intermediate pilots engaged for years. With its 59-inch wingspan and legendary safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology, the Apprentice STS represents evolution of the gold standard in RC training. What sets this model apart is thoughtful integration of cutting-edge technology with time-tested principles. Building upon the proven Apprentice S15E platform that's taught thousands to fly successfully, it adds modern smart electronics providing real-time telemetry straight to your transmitter. It's like having a flight instructor built into the airplane. Who should buy this RC plane? If you've never flown RC but dream of taking to the skies, the Apprentice STS is tailor-made for you. This aircraft excels at making first-time pilots successful from day one. Progressive safe modes act as training wheels you gradually remove as skills develop, transforming from virtually crash-proof trainer into capable sport plane performing loops, rolls, even brief inverted flight. Club instructors and experienced pilots teaching others find the Apprentice STS invaluable. Its forgiving nature and panic recovery mean you can hand the transmitter to nervous students confidently. Many flying clubs adopted it as official training aircraft because it dramatically reduces the typical months to weeks learning curve. Why you'll simply love it. Flying the Apprentice STS feels like cheating, in the best way. Safe technology creates an invisible safety net catching mistakes before they become crashes. Release the sticks in beginner mode, and the plane instantly returns level. Get disoriented? Hit panic and watch your aircraft magically recover from any attitude. This confidence-inspiring behavior transforms tentative stick movements into bold, assured inputs. Smart electronics integration elevates the experience beyond basic flight. Watching battery voltage, current draw, and motor RPM real-time on compatible Spectrum transmitters adds professional dimension. You'll know exactly when to land before battery gets critically low, monitoring power usage to maximize flight times. Number 2. Volantexrc Trainstar Ascent. The Trainstar Ascent proves you don't need deep pockets to soar with the best. This 1,400mm wingspan trainer delivers big plane stability and brushless performance at a price that'll make you double-check the tag. What sets it apart is that unibody ABS plastic fuselage. While others use foam, Volantex went with crack-resistant plastic that laughs off crashes that would total lesser trainers. Who should buy this RC plane? Budget-conscious beginners who refuse to compromise on size and capability will find their match here. If you're the type who expects a few learning experiences, crashes, during your training, this tough-as-nails trainer will save you money and frustration. It's also perfect for clubs running youth programs where durability matters more than fancy features. Why you'll simply love it. You'll fall for the Trainstar's forgiving nature and tank-like construction. That plastic fuselage means you can cartwheel it across the field and often just dust it off and launch again. The Quick Connect wing system gets you flying in minutes, not hours, and the powerful 1050 kV motor gives you plenty of oomph for confident climbs and even basic aerobatics when you're ready. Number 3. HobbyZone Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Don't let the budget-friendly tag fool you, the Carbon Cub S2 packs serious capability into its scale-accurate airframe. This 1.3M STOL machine brings safe technology, optional GPS upgrades, and genuine bushplane performance to the masses. It's essentially a Swiss Army knife of trainers that can grow with you from first flight to float flying adventures. Who should buy this RC plane? Perfect for beginners who appreciate scale realism and want room to grow without buying multiple planes. If you dream of bush flying and short field operations but need training wheels first, this Cub delivers both. It's ideal for pilots who want maximum features per dollar spent. Why you'll simply love it. The Carbon Cub S2 makes you feel like a real bush pilot from day one. Those oversized Tundra tires let you operate from surfaces that would ground other trainers. The safe system provides confidence-building assistance that you can dial back as skills improve. Plus, it just looks fantastic. This is a trainer you'll display proudly. Number 4. Volantexrc F4U Corsair. Who says beginners can't fly Warbuds? This micro Corsair breaks the rules with its 400mm wingspan and spilet stabilization system that makes a traditionally tricky aircraft type accessible to rookies. It's proof that modern technology can tame even the most challenging designs. Who should buy this RC plane? First-time pilots who want something cooler than a typical high-wing trainer. Kids and adults drawn to military aircraft but lacking experience. Anyone wanting a low-stress introduction to Warbuds without the usual learning curve. Why you'll simply love it. The combination of Warbird looks and trainer-friendly flight characteristics is irresistible. That spilet system works magic, preventing the tip stalls and snap rolls that plague most Warbuds. One key aerobatics let even beginners pull off impressive stunts. At this size, crashes are more comedy than tragedy. Key features: 6-axis spilet Euro stabilization system. 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, expert. 1 key aerobatic function. Propeller saver design. Complete RTF package. 12 to 15 minute flight times. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M. The Cripes a mighty third P51D represents Warbird perfection at the sport scale. With operational flaps, electric retracts, and that iconic 4-blade prop, this Mustang delivers the complete Warbird experience. AS3X and optional safe select technology civilize what's traditionally a handful. Who should buy this RC plane? Intermediate to advanced pilots ready for their first full-house Warbird. History buffs who want authentic scale details and performance. Anyone who's mastered basic flying and craves that next-level Warbird rush. Why you'll simply love it. Everything about this Mustang screams quality, from the scale exhaust stacks to the sequenced gear doors. On 3S it's a gentleman's Warbird, on 4S it becomes a beast. The AS3X system smooths out the rough edges while preserving that authentic Mustang feel. Key features: functional split flaps with independent servos. Electric retractable landing gear with scale covers. AS3X stabilization with optional safe select. 3S/4S compatible power system. Smart 70 AESC with telemetry. Scale 4-blade propeller.